Hi everyone, I want to welcome you to Calc 2, Math 192 at Washtenaw Community College. And I wanted to navigate you around the classroom. Um, this is when you come into the Blackboard course, you should see this landing page where you will see current announcements and previous ones. So this is telling us that what we have to do for May 13th, and you could read through here. I put important dates here, and then you can scroll down and you can see any announcements that have been posted over the semester. On the left-hand side, this is where you want to find things that you'll need to work on. So first of all, there is the syllabus and schedule. If you click here, you will see the syllabus, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see the schedule. There are also files that you can download, and then you can print a copy of both of these for your own use. I would suggest that you download a copy of both of them, but in particular, you download the schedule so that you can have all the due dates right in front of you. On the left-hand side, you'll also find the learning units, and this is very important. This is where the material is for the course. So all the units are here for you. So if you want to work ahead, you can. So I'm going to click on Unit 1, and I'm just going to start with the first one. So Module 1, click here, and then it tells you, and then this lesson matches what's on the schedule. And so you click the lesson, you open this up, and it tells you, what do I need to do for this lesson? So I need to study the lecture notes, which are found below. I need to watch the video, which is found below. I need to complete the written exercises with solutions. This is found below. And I will need to complete the My Open Math assignment, which there is a link on the left-hand side to get to your My Open Math. Now, there are additional resources. These additional resources are found at the bottom. These are for extra understanding of the material for your use. There's nothing that you need to complete in them. But if you're struggling, like if you read the lecture notes and you don't know what is being discussed, I would say I would go through those. So let's open up the lecture notes. The lecture notes are a PDF file that you'll pull up, and you will read through here and read through the problems. And then you want to go to the videos, and you can watch the video or videos about the subject or the lesson here. And then I would take notes on the videos and keep them organized in a binder. And then after you do those two things, then I would start the written solution, the written assignment. Now, to do the written assignment, you'll have to download this file, print it, and then complete that. Where you're going to submit it is you'll go here, you'll click that link, and then you're going to attach the file. And when you attach the file, you're going to hit submit on the bottom, and then it will upload it to Blackboard. And you will see this same layout with each lesson throughout the semester. And again, those are all found under learning units. So that is, remember, for the written assignment, we have that due on Sundays, and also then the homework in the My Open Math Lab. On the left-hand side, you're also going to find, this is where you submit that proctoring quiz, and there's a course orientation. Also, as we go on through the semester, we will get grades, and so you want to check them in the My Grades part. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me if you have any questions either about the navigation of the class or where to find things, please email me. Or if you have questions on the problems themselves, please let me know. And like I said, at least once a week, you will be receiving an announcement or post from me. So make sure you're checking that Blackboard site. You should be trying to work on material every day. This is a shortened semester in the summer, so we want to make sure that we do that, get those submitted and complete it. So it's something that you're not going to just want to work on once a week, but multiple times a week, just to keep up with the amount of material that is packed into the summer semester. All right, let me know if you have any questions. And that's about it for now.